Hey guys! Two boys, one dream. They have to go to the tennis club in the rain. They're just hobos, but they could do it. With Conley's best friend, John Paul. They're going on their adventure of their lives, trying to survive. And you're going to get to see it.
Conley, he didn't know we were going to end up like this, but I'm always prepared. He was wearing his swagger suit. I feel like I'm going to die! All this rain makes me feel like the African forest. Help me! He's T-Boing! Oh, it's a bus! It's a bus! Hey, oh, dude, see if that go to the African rainforest. Oh, crap, breaker panel. Oh, shit. Break into that. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Yeah! It's stuck. Yummy, yummy. Ah, oh, shit. Okay, don't worry, Cameron. The most valuable no, dude, when my script runs out, like, it doesn't work anymore, you know? So I'm gonna get the knife on that. Oh, you are? That, yeah. Oh, shit! Oh, shit! Oh! Wait! Wait! I'm going through it! No! They're already! Choke me! Oh! Choke me!
They're so retarded. Okay, well, we're waiting. We're just having a little break. The intense workout. Oh shit. Oh shit.
Ah, that car's gonna go for us.
Holy fuck. Oh, let's act like we're walking.
What? Because they see us, we're not gonna run in.
Yeah, I know. Wait. I'm about to run in, guys. Oh! Shit. No. We're just having a little fun here.
I'm gonna get pneumonia.
No, you're not. It's about to splash us. Okay, this is it, bro. Oh. This is it. Ah! Alright, that's the closest we got.
You know you're not recording anymore?
What? You're not recording? Yeah, I stopped and I played this game.
Oh, shit! Ah!
Freaking...
Oh, shit!
What?
Did you see that huge puddle?
Oh, fuck. Dude, that's gonna splash.
Oh, I feel dizzy. You feel giddy?
Yeah.
Oh, shit. Fuck, fuck, fuck. Fucking hose.
I just want to record. Day 2 of this adventure. We walked about 1 mile in one day. Pretty good progress. Worn out. Dude, there's a gas station. Oh, we don't have any money.
Yeah.
I've only got stupid pesos.
It feels like our African jungle rainforest. Remember when we had to go rescue Princess? Remember when we had to go rescue Princess Peach? This is what it feels like. We came in storming with our guns. Oh, yeah. We came in with our heavy automatic machine guns when we got Princess Peach. We got her out of there.
Yeah, got her out of there.
But you don't want to see the after effect of that. Yeah, Conley and Princess Peach had a little private moment.
But you don't want to see her.
It's explicit.
I hit the camera.
you to this tennis club.
3, we're in the parking lot.
We're almost there.
We're by this.
Worn out.
Oh, there's that red car. It is. What type of car is it?
The Volkswagen.
Punch bag!
No punch backs! No punch backs! Oh, fire truck.
Oh, man! Hopefully I can edit it on this phone. It's the only thing I have. My best friend's a rock. And my cousins are the water. This is just the hobo that I found on the street on the way here.
You've adopted a relationship.
Yes.
A very loving relationship.
Ew!
No, I'm just kidding. I'm not homo.
I'm that way. But this is his family. This is my family. It makes that sound of. You have your special stuff. Oh, dude, look. There's grass all over me. I had to tie my shoe. It's a tie my shoe break. We're almost there. We're just getting prepared for what lies in front of us. There might be dragons. No, they're extinct. How about horses? No, those are extinct too. Dinosaurs, those aren't extinct. So that'll be pretty big.
Hey, punch buggy.
Oh, yeah.
No punch backs. Oh, you didn't say no punch backs.
I didn't punch you.
Oh. You gotta get your...
I'm just, I'll just say my name. Yes, we're inside here. It's beautiful. Free at last, thank God Almighty, we're free at last. Famous speech of MLK. We had a test. I had a feeling that I failed the test.
What'd you get on the AR quiz? Like a 40. Are you serious?
No. So did Jordan.
Are you serious? You
Yeah.
guys got are you kidding me? I got an 85.
I go to the school of the alleyway. I don't know where he goes.
I go to the rich people school.
Oh, what's the name of it?
It's called Ghetto.
Such a fancy name. Come on this way! He's not gonna know, but I'm gonna go scare him. Bitch, no.
I'll go get the ball.
We're gonna go examine this place. It's very fancy. I'm using my teleportation device to go inside. Ooh, see, we're inside. Well, let's examine this place. Fancy TVs. One mini TV. Now the locker room.